Hi everybody, what's up? I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a Blackriver truck unboxing. Let's get right to it. So, these are my brand new sets of 32mm Blackriver Golden trucks. Right off the bat, I would have to say the packaging is absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10. So, these trucks come with, obviously, the Blackriver trucks, a Blackriver tool, some stickers, and lots of shredding after. So, let's open it and take a look. Here we go. Look at that. Those beauties. Wow. Absolutely amazing. These have a crazy feel. Like, the quality is just crazy on these, like, just from the feel. Let's take a look at those in a second. We got our tool, Blackriver tool. These things are sick. Wow. Enough with those stupid tech deck tools. This is awesome. We got our stickers. And we got warranty, instructions, blah blah blah. We don't need those. Yeah, let's get into these. Wow. Like, I can see why these trucks are so expensive. Like, they're worth every single penny. Like, enough talking, let's get these trucks put on the board. Alright, we got the trucks on. They're looking awesome. We're gonna put on these white 6-skate wheels. They look awesome. Give him a follow on Instagram on 6skate. We're gonna put these on right now. Alrighty, we got the board all set up and it is looking awesome. My favorite part about these trucks is that the bolts actually have Loctite on them. so they will not come off and explode, and you will not lose all your parts. Another thing about these trucks is, wow, look at how responsive and just nice these bushings are. These are absolutely incredible. Let's get to shredding this, guys. Okay, so what are my final thoughts on the Blackriver trucks? I think that they are the best trucks ever. They are the best trucks I've ever put on my board. I recommend them 100%. And in that case, thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be out with some more videos.